News 4's Alexis Zotos is breaking down what shoppers need to know about where their money is going. Last-minute shoppers here in the Chesterfield Valley were more focused today on finishing up before Santa arrives than paying attention to their receipt, specifically that sales tax at the bottom, which has been part of a contentious battle for the city of Chesterfield for years, a battle they've now lost this holiday season. Even if the nice weather is unusual, you can always expect to find those shoppers waiting until the very last minute on Christmas Eve.
Everything, one shot. Come here and be done.
Nathan and Jacqueline Davis say every year it's down to the wire to check off their holiday list.
I've learned it from the best. You know, the sales and everything, Christmas Eve, that's what it is. I don't know.
It's where it's at.
They were in good company at the premium outlets in Chesterfield.
So now I'm getting those last minute gifts for them, because I don't want to be empty-handed.
The city is a shopping destination that contributes to $14 million in sales tax every year in Chesterfield. But the city only sees about $7 million. That's because of a 1977 law which says some municipalities, like Chesterfield, have to pool their sales tax revenues and distribute them to others, something the city has been fighting in the courts for decades. But a recent decision by the Missouri Supreme Court upheld the law. Mayor Bob Nation says they're very disappointed. Over at St. Louis Wine Market, the manager says he can understand the city's perspective.
We have the world's largest shopping mall, right? So, I understand that Chesterfield wants their share. When you have this much traffic and this many sales, it also helps everything. So being a locally owned business in Chesterfield, I can see their side of that.
As a wine market, they too saw big business for last-minute shoppers.
A lot of liquor, a lot of wine, a lot of stock-up stuff for the family, lots of last-minute gifts for bosses.
And as the sun sets on the final round of holiday shopping, the Chesterfield mayor tells me the court's ruling can be summed up by saying Merry Christmas to the county and other municipalities from the city of Chesterfield. The sales tax here in the Chesterfield Valley is 8.7%. The mayor tells me the crux of their argument is not because they would like to keep more of that revenue for themselves, but more because they believe the law itself is unconstitutional. They have not decided on what the next step might be. They do believe the Missouri Supreme Court might have been their last avenue. Reporting in Chesterfield, Alexis Zotos, News 4.